Hi there, Lorrie here, and I am back in the studio again. I know I said I probably wouldn't do any more painting because I had to do a dollhouse and get on that, but I had a couple of pots that I wanted to get some paint on before the season is over because I can use them for a couple of things maybe this fall. And yeah, so that's the idea. I want to thank you for popping in, and I'm gonna pour some paint on stuff. So as you can see, I've made a little bit of a mess of this pot. So I put on a pearlescent, which I thought was transparent, but it is absolutely not transparent. And so I just turned it into a big silver ball, and you can kind of see a little bit of the color coming through when it's outside in the sun, but really it's pretty much ruined. So I am going to throw some more paint on it and try to rescue it from myself. So here we go. And here is how they both turned out. So I did, with that pearlescent medium, I mixed it with some clear base paint that I had, and it actually creates a lovely sparkle now. Instead of turning it completely silver, so that really helped. And then I painted the rims purple, of course. What other color would I paint them? And here's this guy here, and now that he's not silver anymore, looks beautiful. So now they're ready here, and I'm just going to spray them with a nice acrylic coating so that they are nicely sealed and will survive outside. So thanks for coming in and hanging out with me in the art studio today. That's it. Just a quick little video showing you those last two pots that I poured. I think I'm going to have a bunch to pour this winter because I'm going to be transplanting all my roses out of pots and putting them in the ground. Apparently they don't like pots much. So anyway, I hope you have a fantastic week and I will see you soon. Take care of yourself. Bye now.